if you don't know, I'm a moose. And today, I'm gonna be your guide to everything moosey. What's my favorite word, you say? You, you probably didn't say that. But I'm gonna tell you it is that. That is my favorite word. What's your favorite word? You don't have to say it out loud. That would be ridiculous. This is not your video, it's mine, and I want to expand your mind about me. So, when I come down to the water here, I say, look at that. Would you just look at that? Look at that water. I don't know. It might be your water, but I'm going to drink some anyway. And that brings us to my first point about being a moose. I look friendly because, for the most part, I am friendly. I'm not really afraid of you, but if you get too close to try to get me to leave, maybe, I might not like that. Use your good sense. If I'm licking my nose, or have my ears pinned back, or the hair on my back of my neck is standing up, your behavior needs to change. Otherwise, keep your distance and we can be friends. Dogs, on the other hand, I do not like. They look like wolves, and that is a big problem for me. So please, don't let your dog loose around me. No one would like that. Well, it's time for me to get a drink. Is this your water? Well, you know what? I'm going to have some anyway, and I hope you're fine with that. See you later.